Hello everyone, Terry Bowden with Expert Village, and we've been talking about how to file your taxes online. Now, as an overview, we just got through going through the last segment, the TurboTax program, and this will give you an idea when it comes up, what you'll be seeing. Of course, there's a 1040 file, and this is just a generic one, okay, that we're just showing you, but it'll come up in an Adobe format, all right? So you can easily scroll through and see and double check yourself, okay? Now, that was the TurboTax. And of course, at the beginning, we looked at the Internal Revenue Service's website. A lot of valuable information, okay? So please go through and look at the individual page, and that'll give you an idea, your tax information for individuals. They have a 1040 Central, paying a balance due, so much information. And also the free file, which we talked about, very good if you made less than $54,000. But number one, remember, always consult a professional, okay? And we're not here to say that you should go use the IRS website or even use TurboTax. These are just a couple entities that you can use to file your taxes safely and accurately online.